Hi, welcome back to Hostpark CA channel and back to the tutorial for artificial intelligence. And this tutorial will helpful for who are preparing UGC NET and some of the college level and university levels exam also. Today we are going to continue the topic called one of the rational called model based reflex agent. The previous session I explained about simple based reflex agent. I think I hope that you understand. Please kindly watch and check the playlist. They will get continued the session. And let's start the session today. First of all, what is my model based reflex? The model based reflex, you can say what is the meaning is knowledge based agent. And today we are going to see the difference between the simple reflex agent and the model based reflex also. Here remember, this agent one that uses its percept history and its internal memory to make decisions about an internal model of the world around it. And here it works by finding a rule, very important point. It works by finding a rule whose condition matches the current situation. Remember, if condition matches, it will take some decision. Then the model based agent can work in a partially observable environment and track the situation also. And the model based agent has two important factors. One is called model, another is internal state. Before continue this session, we see the diagram. So this is the diagram. Somewhat difference between the simple and the simple reflex and the model based one. Here, so we are in simple reflex agent. What is the drawback? There it always takes the decision based on the current input only, and it does not learn from the past experience. So to overcome this problem, we are introducing this model based reflection here. This is one of the rational agent where we are having additionally two background information for accompany the further actions. That is called state, another one called how the world evolves, and another called what my actions do. Based on the in agent what happened, it go for environment and percept and sensors will be there, and state some information will be there. So these are additionally we are introducing when compared to the simple reflex agent here. And also again it follow the condition action rule where we discuss if then like that and what action should do now like that, and actuators will be there, action will be taken by the agent. Example, you can say self-driving car, or you can say house cleaning robots. And you continue here. What is model here? It is the knowledge about how things happen in the world, and so it is called a model based agent. And also internal state, it is a representation of current state based on perceived history, and these agents have the model which is knowledge of the world, and based on the model they perform actions. Updating the agent state requires information about how the world evolves and how the agent's action affect the world. So let's go for the real time example. Go for another mode where you have some diagram. Let's take this, consider this self-driving car introduced by Google like company Waymo. So here assume that the car what is in the agent had taken the agent software take rational agent take care of the one where remember this model reflex agent having the model where it's having some past history, and whenever go for trials lot of drawbacks happen. Now today successfully US like countries they answered this car. Okay, that is my agent. Okay, self-driving cars, no need of anything. We just switch on the machine, switch on the software, and give the instruction based on the conditions to go and run. Now the thing is, it always follow the rules and regulation. The thing is, what will happen? Partial environment what's it's based on the climate. The road should be good, and if you fix the 50-kilometer target, what happened? The agent driver take care of and go and follow the speed of 50 km only. And what are the drawbacks here? And suddenly and then the agent should be know what the world likes now and what action should know. That means whether you the self-driving cars take the actions, whether it is damaging the road or is a positive or negative, all should be taken up with the environment and the agent only. For example, you are going there and suddenly some opposite action 2 or 3 cars coming. What happened? It have take care of whether go left or right and stop the car and back and so on. All the things should be now. And partially means what? The environment it may have idea and trying to implement here. And moreover, when the car want to overtake other car, suppose already 2-3 cars go in the road, it's possible to overtake the car at the right side or left side. And moreover, it have to observe and sense the signals, the traffic signal. Suppose going some straightly going there, some rights if you want to go left, and signal will be there. Whether it's a red color or green color, whatever, you have to observe the signal and keep on moving based on how the world evolves like that. Or else the signal saying 20 minutes late means what happened? The car have to automatically stop for the 20 minutes like that. 20 minutes or 2 minutes, what time there. So everything is based on the agent only. The agent should take care and actions, and also based on the decisions. So and also the car driving and going the speed of 40 or meter, suddenly some vehicle are crossing very forcibly went, what kind of action could brake, sudden brake, suppose the self driving take and kick the sudden brake, what happened, whether the passenger or whatever there, everything should be taken care by this environment only. And here, so remember, in simple reflex, what is that? There is no this additional background information here, and here these two are very important when I come to the model based reflection. That is called what the valve like is like now, and what action I should do now, like that, based on the condition action rule. So we can implement for successfully today this concept implemented by for the self-driving car and also house cleaning robot and so on. So here all the sensing is important, environment is important, and these models are suitable for not only partial environment, this is suitable for fully observable environment also. And here remember, these states here, what is the state here? The state always map to the current situation, what decision and current situation, and what action you take by the agent, like that. And it should have store some state from the previous experience or previous history. These things you have to remember about the model based agent or one of the rational agent. Okay, these are points about these are all about the model based agent. The upcoming session I will definitely explain the goal based agent, and it will and so on. And if you have any queries or comments, please kindly connect with this social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.